Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, but y'all already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and hit that notification bell so you know every time your girl posts. So y'all know what this is, another hair review. And the hair that I will be doing today is from Ellie Grace. As you guys can see, what will be in your package is lashes and a wig cap. Yes, wig cap. But we gonna jump straight into this, y'all. This is a 10-inch unit. It is a 4x4 in the front. It's 150 density, y'all, with a Swiss lace, and it's transparent. And y'all, it melted so well. I give that an A, automatically an A, because that I haven't ever used Swiss lace. I can't even get it out. I was so happy. I ain't ever used Swiss lace, and I loved it for the first time. And I was just like, okay, I like this. Y'all have to try this. This unit is $57.99 if I'm not mistaken. Also, it has 4 combs and the adjustable straps. And the 4x4, it also comes in a 13x4. Here I go showing you the combs and the adjustable strap as well, so you guys can see that. And I love when they have the combs in the back. When they don't have it, I'll be like, ooh, y'all, this hair be looking a little rough when they come out the packs. But this is because it's been packaged down, so please don't look at my doll like it's crazy. But hair, it looks like this sometimes because of how they've been packaged or put it away or whatever. Because I know she's looking a little rough. She's looking a little rough. But y'all, the hair was so soft, it didn't have a scent. So continue to watch. We back. So you guys, right here, what I'm doing, I'm showing you everything that I use to bleach this hair. Yes, I wanted to try it. I haven't really gave you guys a full bleaching or plucking video because you guys haven't asked me for that yet. But if you guys want to see it, you want to know something, ask me something. If it's a video or something that you guys want to see, make sure you guys include that in the comments, y'all. But the bleaching process did really good. Make sure you guys start from the bottom, work your way up, because the top is always going to bleach a little bit faster. So make sure you go from the bottom to the top. I could have bleached this longer if I wanted it to, but I didn't. I just wanted a mellow color. Plus, I was just playing in the colors to see how the hair will react off me coloring it. So if you guys are looking for a full color video, make sure you include that in the comments. So this is Ruby Kisses. I will leave it in the description box on the colors because I do not remember. So when you guys are putting this, because this unit is already pre-plucked and bleach knots, so you don't even have to do that. You didn't even have to pluck. I plucked it a little bit, but you didn't have to do that if you didn't want to. I flat ironed it, y'all. It made this hair so soft and bouncy. So I'm telling you, this Brazilian honey shows you something different. So y'all, plus $57. Y'all know it's summer. These, I'm gonna show y'all so many bobs. Y'all gonna be like, oh Lord, let me give me a bob, honey. Let me give me a bob. So I love the finishing results. You guys continue to watch the process. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, when you are cutting for layers, make sure you always go down. I wanted to show you guys that as well and see how quick it is. But see, look, I ain't put nothing on her, no shine, no anything. And this is how the hair came out at the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this install. I do have a TikTok at the end of this video. Make sure you guys like it. I enjoyed y'all today. My words and stuff always all over the place, but y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. And you know, put in the comments if there's something else you guys want to see. Like I said, I have a treat at the end with TikTok. So y'all, this is this melting part, honey, and see how it's above where my cap is. So that's why I did this on purpose in the video, so that you guys can see how close to that cap I am. So you doing it back, forward, and this, I mean, this lace didn't need any help. I mean, it did it all on its own. It is some good lace. I liked it. So y'all try y'all some Swiss lace. So y'all come back and tell me, girl, I tried that Swiss lace. See how the back is more layery like. I hope y'all like these colors. It was just a playful moment, something for me to try. I got so many compliments on it. So y'all know I'm not gonna get these bangs right on camera. So I did do that off camera. That's me showing y'all this body and this hair. So, and I straightened and combed. Look, straightened, combed. Okay, I hot combed this hair as well. It did take really good to the hot comb, and it flattened this hair, y'all. It made everything look just so, it really looks like a natural wig. I got so many compliments on it. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this install. I enjoy being with you guys as I normally do. You guys enjoy until the next hair review.